Good morning, children. So after a long period, we are getting your class. Okay. So today, in the last class, you came to know what is the equation means, what is the difference between expression and equation, all those things. Just today, I have taken exercise, children. First exercise of that lesson. So the first line in that is you have to set up an equation for the following cases. Okay, so the first statement is here. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble permit has. So Irfan has 37 marbles. Okay, this is the thing. Even they have given what variable you have to take. Take m to be the number of permits marble they are saying. Okay. So here with whom it was compared, that is very important. So Irfan's marbles are compared with whose? Permits. So that's why permits marbles you have to take as a variable. So the number of permits marbles are I am taking as a m. So here has 7 marbles more than 5 times. 5 times the marbles the permit has they are saying. So 5 times of m is what? 5m. 7 more than that means 5m plus 7. Totally they are given. Irfan is having 37 marbles. That means the result of this will be 37. So the required equation will be 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. Clear? Okay. Now we will move to the next statement. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Okay, this is the statement. Even for whom the variable should be taken, they have given y. For Lakshmi's age, you have to take as a y. Take that one only, children. Lakshmi's age you take as an y years. So Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. Already they have given the age of his father, and one comparison they have given. What is that comparison? He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So 3 times Lakshmi's age. That is 3 times of y. 3 times of y is nothing but 3 into y, which is 3y. And this one 4 years older than. Older than means more. So 4 years older than 3y is nothing but 3y plus 4. So the father age is what? 49. So that is result is 49. That's why this should be equated to this. 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. Got it? Like this you will be getting few other statement, children. You have to convert it to equation form. Getting? Now we will move to the very important part, that is solving linear equation. It can be solved by many methods, children. There is a elimination method, trial and error method, transposing method. Okay. So just with one example I am solving those things. So the value of the variable for which the LHS will be equal to RHS are called as a solution of an equation. First you should know what is the solution of an equation means. It is a value where it satisfies this condition. LHS is equal to RHS, that condition will be satisfied. So the first method in that is trial and error method. What is the meaning of trial and error? Trial means we are going on doing. If it becomes a error, we are going for next option, like that. So here one example I took, 3x plus 1 is equal to 7. Now let us start giving values for variable. Different values we will give. First 0 given. So LHS part you take down, 3x plus 1. In the place of x, 3 will be as it is. In the place of x, what you have to substitute? 0. And again what you are having? Plus 1. Write down plus 1. 3 into 0, 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So, but our RHS value is 7. It is not satisfying. Okay. Next, we will go with 1. Again, 3x plus 1 is the LHS part. 3 as it is, x value is 1 plus 1, 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 3 1 plus is 4, even it is not satisfying RHS, even this value does not satisfy. Next, x is equal to 2 we will take the LHS part. In the place of x, what you have to substitute? 2. So 3 into 2 plus 1 you are getting. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 which is a 7. So our RHS it is. So for which value it is satisfying RHS? When we give x as a 2. That's why the solution of the equation is 2. Now you got trial and error method I think. If you not get here, then again you have to go on giving values children, whether it is a positive values or a negative values. Okay. Next, elimination method. What is this elimination method? What are the steps we should follow here? First we will learn the steps. So if we add anything to the LHS, the same thing should be added to the RHS, because you know the balance. If anything changes one side means the other side also it should be changed. By that, if you want to add something to the LHS, then you should add to the RHS also. In the same way, if you want to subtract anything from LHS, so it should be subtracted from LHS as well as RHS. Again, if you want to multiply something, then also multiply to the both the sides. And if you want to divide something, then also you should divide both the sides. Okay, so these are the conditions you should know during elimination method. Now let us go with the example. So 3x plus 9 is equal to 1. Now this is the variable. With variable what you are having, you just check it out. Plus 9 is there, that should be eliminated. Okay, so plus 9 should be eliminated means we should add a minus 9. So 3x plus 9 minus 9, here also whatever the thing we are subtracting in a LHS part, the same thing should be subtracted in RHS part also. Here also minus 9, here also minus 9. See here this 9 get cancels, 3x will be left. Here 1 minus 9 is 8. Bigger number is minus, that's why minus 8 you are getting. Again, with variable what you are having? 3. Between 3 and x, what sign? Multiplication is there. If multiplication is there means the reverse process is division. So you have to divide by 3. So 3x by 3 minus 8 by 3. 3 get cancelled. X will be left here. 8 minus 3. So therefore this itself is a x value. For this value, this will be satisfied. You can verify children. Okay, verification you can do. 3x plus 9 is there now. 3 keep as it is. What the x value we got? Minus 8 by 3 we got. 3 get cancelled. Minus 8 plus 9. One is positive, one is negative. So subtraction, 9 minus 8 is 1. Bigger number is plus, so plus 1. Same answer we got here. Got up? So this is elimination method. That means in elimination, plus is there means you should go with a minus sign number. Minus sign is there means plus you should go with. Multiplication is there means you should go with the division. And division is there means you should go with the multiplication. Clear? Now we will move to the third one, that is transposing. In this method, instead of adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing, we transpose the numbers. It is little bit easier when compared to these two methods, trial and error as well as elimination method. Okay. So here one example we are having 2x plus 7. Just what I am doing, number part I am transferring to the RHS plot. Whenever you are transferring plus, it becomes a minus. Minus if you want to transfer, it becomes a plus. So multiplication when you transfer to the RHS part, it becomes a division. The division when you transfer to the RHS part, it becomes a multiplication. Getting? You should keep this in mind. So plus 7 become minus 7 here. 2x as it is. 1 minus 7. 7 minus 1 it is 6. Bigger number is minus, that's why minus 6. Again we need only x. Between 2 and x multiplication, if it comes to this side, multiplication will become division. That's by 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So x value is minus 3. So this is the main tip in a transposing. It is easier when compared to the elimination method. Okay children. Now we will move to the next exercise 4.2. Okay. We will move to the next exercise.